So XRP is sitting at $2 right now, and it did go down. As I had shared with you that the moment you lose 2.2, then we can start talking about going down towards 1.8, 1.9, and that is what happened. We went down towards 1.9. It was exactly 1.9, and I said that once you lose 2.2, there is no point of talking about $2 because I know that it will go under $2. The situation of XRP is that if it loses 2.4, then you're going to go towards 2.2, which is the last stop. After that, we will start entering $1 areas, not $1 to be exact, talking about 1.7, 1.8, those kind of things. If we lose 2.2, I wouldn't rely on $2. And that's the situation that we saw with XRP. Now, of course, it is sitting again at $2, but none of that matters until and unless XRP goes and achieves 2.2 and starts living above it. Now, as XRP has not been able to sustain 2.2, so now the 8 hours concept will not apply to it. Now it needs to spend 2 days above 2.2 to show us that, okay, it is actually able to spend time above 2.2 and show that now 2.2 is stabilized, and then we can start talking about 2.6 again. Now, overall, if you look at it, when it hit our resistance of 2.6, this was 2.6, it has gone all the way down towards 1.9. And one of the reasons that it is extremely important to always look out for these things is that if you had sold at 2.6 and purchased it back at 2.2 into the support, your situation wouldn't be this bad, wouldn't be as bad as if you hadn't sold or if you had purchased at 2.6 and now you were at 1.9. And of course, in dollars, it doesn't sound that much. Maybe that's why people don't understand what kind of fuck up it is. But I'll tell you in terms of percentage how much it is. So 0.7, and let's do it from the top. That's a drop of 27%. So on $100,000, you lose $27,000 just like that in a day or two, only because of the fact that you are, you are in a FOMO and you have no control over yourself, and you end up buying tops. And of course, there is a high possibility that if you don't achieve 2.2, then you are going to start seeing $1 life in XRP again. And as usual, if we don't have a bull run, we will go back to the prices of 50 cents, our most useful support for XRP that we have seen in previous 9 years of its life. Anyway, it's too early to talk about that much bearish stuff. Right now, all we need is to see how XRP behaves. I'm not going to offer a support at 1.9, 1.8. It's totally useless, and if it is a start of a downtrend, there is no point of offering support. All supports will break, just like when I do it in uptrend. I don't care about my resistances, I care about my supports. When it is a downtrend, all I care about is resistances. I don't care about supports, because I know that all you need is live below that resistance. If it's 1 day or if it's 2 weeks, it is going to go down irrespective of how it behaves. And this is something that we saw with so many projects that yesterday acted like machos and they didn't bleed. Like Egan Layer, it didn't bleed at all in the yesterday's dip. But as I have always said, if someone is a macho in the market, they can't be a macho more than 2 days. On the third day, they will bleed, because you can't stay green on your own all alone if the rest of the market is crapping itself. Yes, if it is a 1 day dip, you can act like a king and you can be a sole green in the market. But if your coin is green, and you do understand there's going to be a multiple days bleed, because in yesterday's video, I talked about CPI in XRP video, which I generally do in Bitcoin video, to warn people that to wait till Wednesday, because on Wednesday we have CPI information, and maybe CPI information, if it turns out to be something that we expected or bad, then market is going to further bleed. Anyway, there's nothing else that I would add to XRP. If it doesn't break above 2.2, you're going to see a downward trend with XRP, and finally we will start talking about ranges in $1, and then I'll identify what is a good price range for XRP. But if XRP achieves 2.2 and starts living above it, we're back to our old story of going towards 2.6, and then once we conquer 2.6, then $3 finally. Let's see which one happens. At this stage, all we care about is 2.2. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.